Welcome friends, this is Gilbert from Glint Mobile Auto Detailing here in Kampala. We keep your cars looking new for as long as possible. This video is a quick run through an interior detail of a Toyota Hilux TRD 8th generation 2015/16. The truck was not that bad, however it had lots of snack leftover debris, food stains and dust in tight spaces below the seats and the door pockets, some spills of drinks in the center cup holders, and sticky dirt on the touch points as well. I began with a quick blowout top to bottom to displace the hidden dust particles and debris in preparation for the vacuuming process. For the floor, I used the drill brush to loosen the dirt, followed by vacuuming to make it more effective. Next was to introduce the wet process to all the surfaces. This included spot cleaning for the stains on the carpets, full leather cleaning using a dedicated leather cleaner, cleaning the center console, door pockets, cup holders, visors, dashboard, interior glass, and door panels using all-purpose cleaner dilution 10:1. Special care was taken to clean the delicate places like the control panel, odometer screen, LCD screen using an interior detailing soft brush. This was followed by a blowout rinse for the hard-to-reach areas such as the air vents to ensure the cleaning solution was expelled, and then a full interior wipe down using a soft, damp microfiber towel. Glass was treated with a final wipe using dedicated glass cleaner, Shield waterless auto glass cleaner. The last step was to apply a restoring protectant, Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, to plastics and vinyl to restore the original OEM shine and leave added UV protection for at least 2 months. After the final inspection, these were the results. Thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless you.